Youngman is the market leader in the supply of aluminium modular access tower systems. Minimax is a trade tower certified to European standard EN 1004 that is designed for customers who want a modular access system that they can build on as their needs for access grow. A full assembly guide is provided with all tower systems. Simple to assemble and move around the site, Minimax has locking casters to ensure no movement of the tower when in use. Ideal for use inside and out, Minimax fits easily through a standard doorway. The fold-out base pack has a safe working height of 2.6 meters. With the addition of the base unit guardrail pack, you have a safe working height of 2.86 meters. The snap-click fittings ensure it can be easily erected to help you get the job done quickly. The Minimax tower system complies with the latest standards for safe access tower erection and can be built in trade use situations using the through the trap method known as 3T. The versatility of the system allows you to have extra height as and when you need it by the addition of the various optional modular packs. The Minimax system can be extended to a safe working height of 7.8 meters, more than enough to cope with most commercial, maintenance and construction projects. The rung spacing of 260 millimeters has been designed to ensure safe climbing. Minimax is simple to move around and after use can be easily folded away for transport to your next job. Minimax, the lightweight, versatile tower system, another innovative work at height solution from Youngman. Youngman provide you with a full service backup and a full user guide is provided with every Minimax tower system. Youngman also run a training course called The Knowledge that can bring you up to date with all the latest work at height regulations.